Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing and opening the Outlook app. This gives you integrated mail, calendar, and contacts quickly. Once done, tap Get Started or Add Account and type your full email address. You do this now because the app can auto-detect most providers and apply optimal sync settings. Make sure you have your password and any two-factor device nearby. Without those, you'll hit a verification step and pause the process. Proceed when ready to enter credentials. After entering your password, you may see a two-factor prompt or a Microsoft consent screen. Approve it so Outlook can access mail and calendar. If auto-detection works, the app selects Exchange or Office 365 settings for full sync. If not, choose Manual Setup and enter server, domain, and port details. IMAP uses different ports than Exchange. Make sure to enable permissions so messages, contacts, and calendars sync properly. Without permissions, some features won't appear. Complete setup by confirming messages sync and sending a test email to yourself. Check that calendar items and contacts appear. Then open Outlook settings to set sync frequency, notifications, and your signature so mail behaves the way you want. If you run into issues, make sure app permissions are allowed and network access is available. As a key troubleshooting tip, remove the account and re-add it. This clears cached settings and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.